today I'll be doing a no foundation makeup tutorial. I'm going to use my Mary Kay primer to prime my face up. Remember, no foundation today. So now I'm going straight to the application of my concealer to highlight certain parts on the face. Remember, I said no foundation today, so let's see how the outcome will look like. I hope you are seeing the parts that I'm highlighting. Now we blend in. Can you see how I'm blending it? Can you see? So I'll be using my Fair Up dark shade to conceal certain parts on the face. Just mixing. You see? Don't watch me as I blend it in. You see? The lighter shade, the darker shade, the darker shade, the lighter shade, the darker shade, the lighter shade, the lighter shade, the darker shade. Can you see? Now we take our cream blush to apply it on the face. Can you see? Then you smile. And you blend. Ensure you blend well. Because if you don't blend, it's not going to be the result that you want. Sasha setting powder. So today I'll be using brush to apply the setting powder, not the powder for this time around. Slate contour palette to contour shade of concealer. Just not touching the blush area. Our blush palette and we apply. Always ensure you dust off when you are applying makeup. If you are still watching my video till this moment, please like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We take our compact powder to set up the face. Move to our eyebrow. Today I want to also try something different. You know, normally we use this brown color 18 or color 3, Davis pencil or whichever brown, to draw the eyebrows. But today I want to make use of this black pencil. Let's see how the outcome will also look like. Like I said earlier in my previous video, makeup is all about improvisation. You don't have to stick to one particular thing like you've always been doing. Just improvise, and you see how the turnout will be. So we make use of this black pencil. Let's see how the outcome will look like. But first, we need to do one. See how it's coming up. Just improvise. That's all you need, girl. Let's highlight my eyebrows. I wanted to try something new. Foundation should not sleep. So for me, I like to set my eyebrow. Let's set it up. So for my eyeshadow application, I'll be using these two palettes: Chandaya Professional Makeup Palette and Seductive Eyes Palette. First, we start by transitioning. The selected eyeshadow that you want. Always ensure you dust off, so you don't pack everything, because you know you're still going to blend out. So it's going to be a little more up on my eye. I've applied my eyeshadow base, as you already know. So as you can see, now I want to apply my eyeshadow color on it. Let's see. Mega Impact Mascara. Mega Impact. To enhance my lashes. I'll reset the face. So you just have to smile for God. Then you dust off any eyeshadow that is on your face. Dust it off. So for our lips, I'll be using the Zara matte, the classic matte lipstick, and dark shade pencil. I want to do an ombre lips, so let's dive right into it. Without further ado, let's go. Don't forget to smack. Take our classic. And you do what immediately? You blend. Blend together immediately. I'm sure you can. This you see, then voila. But ensure you blend very well. So this is how to achieve a ombre lips. Can you see? But to not take it a top higher, can just, you know, your classic nude on it. So can go in color. Add it to. Voila, that is it. So this is how to achieve an ombre lips. Can you see? We're not done. We are not done. We're just getting started. So if you're still enjoying my tutorial, please like, share, comment, and, you know, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so that I get to see more amazing content from your girl into the air. So let's continue our tutorial. So I want to dust off the highlighted part now with our compact powder. Just watch as I do it. You see? Properly. This is a tutorial without foundation. My under eyes very silky. You know what I mean? I'm a goofy person, so this is it. How to do an ombre lips. Can you see? So voila, this is how to achieve a makeup tutorial without a foundation and an ombre lips. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, should I have a gloss or I should just leave it stay matte like that? I think the staying matte is really nice. Yeah, what do you think? So as you can see, everything is sitting properly. So guys, please like, share, comment, and, you know, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And if this is your first time of seeing my videos, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing content from me into the LIDI. So thank you very much, guys. So let's stay mad. Let's stay mad, guys. So Thank you. Turn on your bell notification. That one is important so that when my bill comes up, you get notified instantly, without delay. I remain your girl, also the LIVIA. Thank you and bye.